Alright, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. And good Lord, Jandis, we got a big box of knives, apparently. All from Civivi. Check them out real quick, see what we got going on. We'll get into these here in a second. I didn't even know I was going to be able to check this out. I really don't even know what that is. Well, obviously it's a keychain knife. Or, not a keychain, but like a neck knife. So you got stickers, card, maintenance. Got your keychain. No, I keep saying keychains. Your little necklaces, your whatever, little ball bracelet necklace things. Whatever they're called. Good Lord, there's three of them. Oh, because there is three of them. Okay. So you have three of those. How do they go on there? Oh, so there must be a... Oh, there's a hole right there. Okay. That's... okay. World's smallest knife, I guess. So, there's three of those. I won't get all of those out because I think you kind of have an idea what they are. But it comes with a few spares right here. So that's three. It's got three extras in there, I think. Yeah, you got three extra blades in there. So obviously when they get dull or whatever, tear up, break, you can change them out. And stuff like this does break, ish often. You know what I mean? It's just because like if you're, it's just kind of cheap. Yeah, it's not cheap, but I have utility knives and stuff like that. Like the tips always break because I'm using them for hard stuff. This is probably just for like boxes and stuff like this. I don't even know how you would want to really use it. Like a ring knife. I guess if you just put it on your keychain or something like that. If you really want a neck knife, you could put it on your neck. I don't think I would do that myself. I'm weird about necklaces and stuff like that. I just don't wear them. I don't like stuff around my neck. I'm super weird like that. My dad used to harass me like growing up, like touching the back of my neck and stuff like that, put his little fingers like that. Man. So that's all pretty simple stuff. I'll just go ahead and leave that as it is. But if you're interested in them, go pick one up. If you want a little knife that you can cut boxes with, tape with, go for it. Let's see what this one is. Cetos. Alright, this is information, that's right. Let's put that back in the box. So we got the Cetos right here. I can never say that. Cuborda wood presentation handle, a gray steel, lock side handle, yada yada. 14C28N. There we go. We got that part. Alright, get this out of the way. Okay. Oh, this is the bag. Didn't put it back in the bag. Alright. I'll do like usually wood handles. I think they usually look pretty snazzy. Okay. Not bad. Feels pretty good in hand. I don't know. I wish they would probably... No. I was going to say, I wish they would have done like a wood, just like both sides of the handle. Wood. But in order to have a frame lock, obviously like that, you'd have to do this. Do the double-sided. Okay, so that's more of like a nail flick. I was trying to use it as like a fuller and just try to get it right here. And it doesn't want to go. Maybe I just keep touching it. Nope, it's just me. But you can put your nail right in there. Right there, and it does come open. So that's not bad. That's a nice little nail flick right there. Not bad, it feels pretty good. Closes pretty well. I'm sure these are all like budget friendly. So you do have a pocket clip obviously right there. That is recessed, which is what you want. Love the recess. Not going to tear your pocket up. Screws are also recessed. Not bad though. Obviously it's not going to be reversible. Kind of sucks, but it's alright. I do like the wood look though. I love the wood look on knives and stuff like that. I don't know why. Takes me back in the day, being a kid. See my grandpa's knives and stuff like that. Nice little small flipper tab right there. Nice little jimping on it. Not shabby. Feels pretty good, and it is pretty snappy. It's just sticking out just enough to where it works really well. And that's what I like. Like if they have them stuck out way too far, I kind of don't like that. It kind of just gets stuck on stuff like that as you hit, in and out of your pocket. And if they can make it small and snappy like this is the way to go, I think. We'll put that right in sight, though, so you guys can see it. This is the Synergy 3 Black G10 Stonewash Nitro V and Tonto. The Tonto blade. Let's check it out. Okie doke, hokey doke. Get her open. Okay. Okay, man. So you got your normal stuff in there, your information, stickers, cleaning cloth. Oh. Doesn't feel too bad. I did say, yeah, okay. So you have like some G10 obviously right here. Some G10 scales with the spiral on it and everything like that. I've seen this on the Devo Tallboy, and it looked really good on there. I really like the Devo Tallboy. Looks pretty good on here. I don't mind it. Feels good for grip, though. I'll tell you that much. I don't feel like I'm going to slip or anything like that, so it's excellent for grip. I really like that. I do like the pattern, though. The blade looks like almost like an odd Tonto with that nice little slope right there. It's not bad. No jimping on it. Is there jimping on this one? Oh, yeah. Yeah, there is. Alright. Oh, I like the jimping on that, actually. Now that I'm really actually checking it out. So the Cetos has some pretty decent, jimping on it. I'm pretty impressed. I like it. Hold on. I did not change my lighting on my light. Crap. There we go. Sorry. I turned it off and turned it back on earlier. I forgot to change it again. So that was why the odd lighting for me. I don't know if you noticed, but for me it's odd. But here you go again, real quick, just showing up close again with the different lighting. I hate the other lighting. It's that yellow thing. I thought something was off. I'm like, dude, something's just driving me freaking crazy. It was that. It was that. So not shabby. You have a liner lock right here. You have nice texture right there in order to get your thumb there and get it turned over. It is a little thicker though. Obviously, because the scales, you got steel liners on the inside. I'm assuming this is a G10 backspacer right there. Not reversible pocket clip, but again, deep carry with the screws as well. So that's always a plus when they can do that. Apparently it's O Young is the designer. I'm not quite sure who that is. Was it on the... I'll check that out. I'll do that stuff in the final review. Won't bore you guys just yet. The blade is kind of... almost looks like it's concaved a little bit. At least up here it is. I don't know if I had that in sight or not. Not bad though. I do like how thin it is though. Feels pretty sliced, and it is Nitro V. Saw it right, you can barely see. Okay, you can see it in that light, barely. I can't there, I can see it right there. And I mean, like, it's in the light for me. Obviously, you couldn't see it on the camera, but that going, you can barely even see that. Not too bad. Pocket clip's pretty snazzy. About routine Civivi pocket clip. I actually wonder if this is titanium. I'm not sure. I don't know what it said on the box. I can't remember. But pocket clip is, or not pocket clip, the rear flipper is pretty snappy. I do like that. It's also probably snappier than that one. At least I feel like it when it opens. Closes really well. D10's pretty good. And I do like how it's all kind of blacked out with the Civivi brand and everything like that, insignia on the pivot. I like how it's all blacked out. It's kind of cool. It's got a little lanyard right there for you, a little lanyard hole. But let's get into the next boy real quick. See what we got. Oh, I think I've checked this one out. They actually Civivi sent me this one. Exact same one, gray aluminum with black. Yeah, okay. I'll show it again real quick for you guys, just in case you didn't see the other video. This is the Civivi Biophase, and this thing is actually freaking awesome. Same stuff. Won't go back into that. This is the Biophase. This thing is kind of crazy. It's nice. It looks almost like a gas station knife. when I first got it, but it's not. It's really pretty snazzy, and it works really well. Like it opens up, snappy. Button lock works great. I love the button lock. Got nice little rings on, a little texture right there. I don't know if I can really get that on camera. Kind of see it right there a little bit. But it's got rings going around it, and it actually works really well. I was really impressed with this thing. Nitro V on the blade. You have carbon fiber. I think it's carbon fiber, right? That's what I said. Gray. It's gray aluminum with. Oh, it is just G10. Never mind. But it feels great. Like it's texture too. Okay. Kind of show you a little bit. You can kind of see it a little bit, but it feels great in hand. It's super light. Blade ratio to handle is nice. That's why they also kind of skeletonized it a little bit just to help with the weight reduction and everything. And what I like about it is you have these holes right here. You have like a little fuller tab, kind of, and you can flick it open very easily. Actually, this was a sleeper right here for me. I was very impressed. Did not think I was going to be, but Civivi definitely did a good job on this. Feels great in hand. Like this would be like a camping knife just because it's super light. Like I think I'm going to use it for camping just because it's easy to clean up, super light. Pot clip is reversible. That doesn't deal with camping. That's just me telling you. And the screws are also recessed. It's just a really cool knife. I'm actually going to put it in my camping pouch and stuff like that, and take it with me when I go camping. Obviously, it's getting to that season where it's a little cold, off and on, depending on where you're at. But this is a super cool knife. I'm telling you. But that's all I really got, though. If you guys have any comments or questions or anything like that, leave them in the comment section. If you guys like the video, just leave a thumbs up, and have a great rest of your day. Thanks.